Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever needed to download images from the internet automatically? What if I told you what you could build your own Python image downloader in just a few minutes? In this video, I will show you how to create a simple yet powerful image downloader that takes a URL from the user and saves the image to your computer. No manual downloads, just pure automation. So whether you are a beginner or an automation enthusiast, this project is for you. So, let's dive in. Before we start coding, we need to install a Python package that will help us fetch images from the internet. So, we will use requests, which is powerful library for handling HTTP requests. So, I'm writing a command here for the requests. So, pip install requests. I already downloaded. Now let's import the necessary Python module. We will use requests to fetch the image and OS to save it to our local folder. So first import requests, import OS. Next we need to ask the user for for an image URL. So we will use the input function to take the URL as input and store it in a variable. So here we use the image underscore URL equal to input bracket, and here we use some messages. Enter the image URL. Now let's download the image. We will use the requests.get method to fetch the image and save it using Python's file handling method. But before we do that, let's extract the file name from the URL so that the image gets saved with its original name. So for here we use image name equal to image underscore URL dot split forward slash and -1. Okay, now after this response equal to requests dot get image URL, which is pasted by the user. So if response dot status code equal to 200, then save the image to the current directory. So for this we use the response with open img underscore name, use the full name image underscore name, comma, now wb as file. Okay, now after this file dot write response dot content. Now after this print a message, so it will be a formatted string image downloaded successfully as image name. Okay, now after this here we use else print, so failed to download the image, please check the URL. Now let's add some extra functionality to improve our script. We will create a separate downloads folder to store images neatly. We will handle errors if the user enters an incorrect URL. So for here we use if not o not os dot path dot exists downloads. I am here using with the double S for the uniqueness. OS make dirs. So downloads. Now after this image underscore path equal to os dot path dot join. Now downloads and image underscore name. Okay, now after this, I'm just copying all these codes here. Remove this one. Okay, all right. Now let's run our script and test it with some real images. So save, run the script. So it will ask the user for input. Okay, so I have a website which is a pixum.photos under / images. So these are the images. I'm click on it and copy this link and paste it here. Okay, name error, name underscore images as not defined on line 8. Okay, so here we use the underscore. Now save and again run. Give the URL. Okay, again we. Okay, here img name, img name, save img name, save and again run. First clear the terminal. Okay, now save the failed to download the image. Please check the URL. Okay, so there is an error with the website from where we get the image link. So we will try another link of different website so it will download it the image successfully. Now we can check the image. Image name is downloads pixels photo 11080099. So this is the image which is downloaded. So in just a few minutes we built an automated image downloader in Python using requests. So what we did today, install the requests library, took user input for an image URL, downloaded the image using requests.get, saved the image with its original file name, improved the script by storing image in a folder. So want to take this project to the next level? Try integrating it with Tkinter for a GUI version or add multi-threading to download multiple images at once. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Python projects, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. What should we build next? Let me know in the comments. Happy coding and see you in the next one.